Guatapé, Antioquia. Presentation by Jenny Carrascal Berger. My boyfriends and I are going to travel on December 22nd, 2021. We are going to visit Guatapé, Tuantinti, Antioquia. It is located in northwest Colombia, 2 hours northeast of Medellin. We are going to stay at Zócalo Real Hotel. We are going to wear comfortable clothes such as t-shirts, jeans or shorts and a sneaker. We are going to invite some friends to have a lot of fun. We will practice rock climbing, kayaking, and paintballing one day. We will take a boat trip. We will practice outdoor sport and swimming in the next day. Guatapé Cathead Quite Presley. Race go and ponde we came to as it is a popular sport for Colombians. We will bring some souvenirs from our vacation, such as cell phone cases, glasses, key rings, and handmade bags. Bibliography reference. Thank you.